first, it's important to note that every cat's an individual and unique, and not all cats like or will tolerate harnesses and or to be walked, or don't even like going outside. So that being said, if your cat enjoys the equipment by conditioning them to like a harness and walking with you outdoors in certain types of environments, your cat might be a wonderful candidate to go for walks with you. In that case, I would condition your cat to love a harness. And it is very similar to the way we condition a dog to love a harness. Presenting the harness, marking that presentation with a yes or a click, and then immediately giving them a high value food reward. Continue doing that until you're very close to the cat with the harness, and then eventually inching closer and closer to the harnesses, eventually over the cat's head and on the cat, and then of course attaching the buckles and so on and so forth. A few things to note: it's helpful if you have a partner or someone who can help you with this. So if you're giving your cat some type of wet food, they can continue to give the cat food on a licky mat or their finger or what have you while you're placing the harness over their head. And to try to muffle the sound of any clips or clasps, because cats are very sensitive to sounds and smells, but for this case, sounds, and a large clasp click can easily scare a cat. And if you have a poor experience doing it, they might be more averse putting on a harness thereafter. Once the harness is on a cat successfully, of course, attaching a leash and encouraging them and luring them to walk with you, it would be the next step.